Assalamu alaikum, my little creatives, and welcome to our art adventure. Today we're going to be making this pop-up thank you finger. And as we craft, we're going to be learning about saying jazakallahu khair. Are you excited? You're going to need coloured card, a pen, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors, and a pencil. Your feedback is so important to improving our channel, so please write me a comment. The link is in the description below. Shall we get started?
Before we begin any task, we start by saying Bismillah. So say it with me. Bismillah. I'm folding our piece of paper in half. And now I'm getting our yellow card and drawing a thumbs up. And I'm going to cut that out. Has anyone ever told you jazakallahu khair before? Well, jazakallahu khair means may Allah reward you with goodness. Let's break down the words. Jazak means may you be rewarded. Allahu means by Allah. And khair means goodness or blessings. Jazakallahu khair. May Allah reward you with goodness. It's not just like saying thank you. It's even more. It's like saying, I hope Allah gives you every good thing because of what you did for me. We believe that Allah is the one who gives the best rewards. People can say thank you, but only Allah can truly reward someone in ways that last forever, in this world and in Jannah. So when someone helps you, instead of just saying thank you, we say jazakallahu khair. It means we're asking Allah to give them something better than we ever could. Let's compare. Thank you is very nice, but it's just words from you. But jazakallahu khair is nicer because it's words and a prayer for the person. So imagine two gifts. Gift one, a plain box with candy inside. And gift two, a beautiful box with candy inside and a gold ribbon. Both are good, but which one feels more special? The second one, of course, because it has the extra golden ribbon. And that's what jazakallahu khair is like. It's a thank you with a golden ribbon of blessings. Now I'm going to cut a little bit of paper and bend it like a zigzag. Then I'm going to stick our thumbs up and onto the card so it pops up. You could say jazakallahu khair whenever someone does something kind for you. For example, when your mum makes you food. You can say jazakallahu khair, mama. When your dad helps you with homework, you can say jazakallahu khair, baba. When your friend shares their toy, what do you say? Jazakallahu khair. It can be used for big things and small things. Something amazing happens when we say jazakallahu khair. The other person feels happy and respected. You're remembered as someone kind and polite. Allah writes it as a good deed for you because you made dua for someone. And it spreads love between people. It's like planting a seed. Every time you say jazakallahu khair, you plant a seed of kindness. Soon your world will be full of flowers of love and happiness. Now, what do we say if someone says jazakallahu khair to you? What should you reply? You can say wa iyyak, which means and to you too. Or ameen, may Allah accept it. Or even smile and say jazakallahu khairan kathiran. May Allah reward you with much more goodness. It's like passing the kindness back. So, when someone says to you, jazakallahu khair, you can say, wa iyyak, and to you too. Let's practice. I'm saying now to you, jazakallahu khair. What do you say back? Wa iyyak. That's right. You say wa iyyak, which means and to you too. Now I'm writing jazakallahu khair on our thumbs up. And I'm going to write on the front of the card, open for a thank you. Why does Islam teach us words like this? Because Allah wants us to live with kindness, love and respect. Our hearts become softer, our friendships become stronger, and our families become happier. Jazakallahu khair can change someone's whole day. So now you know. Jazakallahu khair means may Allah reward you with goodness. We say it when someone helps us or gives us something. It's better than just thank you. It spreads love, makes dua and pleases Allah. From now on, you can be a kindness spreader. Every time someone is kind to you, just sprinkle a little kindness back with jazakallahu khair. Your words will be like little lanterns lighting up the world around you.
Wow, look at the beautiful craft you made! I'm so proud of the amazing work you did today. Now we can remember to say jazakallahu khair when we're saying thank you. Let's end with a short dua. Raise your hands and repeat after me. Oh Allah, please reward me with goodness. Ameen. And don't forget to leave a comment in the feedback form below so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.